everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry and I am here to do an unboxing for you for Tula XII Paper Co. Now some of you may know Tula XII was a company that I was a brand ambassador with. They have transitioned into a new company named Tula XII Paper Co. and I am an affiliate with them and I will share my link down below. But let's go ahead and do a little unboxing and share with you some of the goodies that I got. So when you open your box, the first thing you're going to see is a nice little welcome to your order card. On the back of it is some useful information, which is always nice. And then the freebie for this time around was 5 tiny wins for your week, and it's just some little things like a little checklist that you can use. Of course, we've got some fun paper in the box, and then we've got these things. Let me pull this out. Dump the box over here. Okay, first thing I want to share with you is when you place your first order with Tula XII Paper Co. and it's $25 or more, you can add this welcome bag to your cart and get it for free. It'll be complimentary. So let's go ahead, sorry for the crinkling. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what is in here. So we have a little card that says, welcome, we're so glad you're here. Inside, you'll find a few little surprises, tiny samples of the creative world you're now part of. Every planner, journal, sticker, game, and project we create is designed to help you slow down, get organized, and enjoy putting pen to paper again. Be sure to join our rewards club, follow along for monthly collections, and share your creations with us. We can't wait to see what you make, Natasha and the Tula XII team. Oh my gosh, I love this. That is so cute. All right, and then we got a journal card that says a creative life isn't built all at once. It's made one page, one idea, one small moment at a time. Loving these colors, by the way. Then we also got a little sampler sticker sheet that is a micro sticker sheet, but you can use these anywhere, journal, planner, micro journal. Look at that little duck holding the daisy. That is adorable. And then we also got a micro journal tracker, or you could use this in your micro planner, or I use these in my regular journal sometimes too. So that's fun. That's a sticker. We also got a DIY bookmark kit with the same color schemes as what we have going on. I love this die cut, create something beautiful. And then we also got a free washi tape, and I got the love one with the coffee mugs and the flowers and the beautiful love words. So that is the welcome pack. Again, this will be free with your first $25 order with Tula XII Paper Co. The other things that I got were 2 new styled planner edits. I love these, so I want to walk you through them one at a time. This is the newest one, and this one's called Junk Journaling. Now, I have friends that use these in both planners and journals. I use these in my planners because I like that it has everything I need to get set up for the whole month and just kind of be done. But they do come with a pad. Each one has a different theme to it. So it is a tear off pad. You can put this in your desk. You can put it on top of your desk. You can put it in your planner, use it in your fridge, put a little magnet back here. You can put it wherever you want. This one is labeled Desk Reset. You can write the date in if you want, and then you can just make some notes to yourself, and all the pages are exactly the same. It also comes with a dashboard. So this is a piece of cardstock that's already decorated. If you have a bigger planner, you can put some paper underneath of this to make it the size that you need. This page is brought to you by Paper Hoarding. I love that. And then it also comes with 3 sticker sheets. So I'm going to go through the functional ones first. They always have days of the week, so you can decorate your calendars if you want, and then also dates that you can use, so all the numbers for dates. Then it also has more functional stickers, to-do banners, some other little flags over here, and then we've got like mini washi tape strips as well as longer strips. And they're all color coordinated, of course. And then this is always the fun stickers that go with it that you can decorate with. And again, you can use this in your planner or in a journal, wherever you might like to just have some fun with this type of a style. So this one is the junk journaling one. The next one that I got is vintage stamps. So let's go ahead and pop this open really quickly. And this one, we're gonna start with the dashboard. Today's notes become tomorrow's memories. I love this vintage look on that vintage vibe. Then if we go back here to this notepad, look how pretty this one is. This is a straight notes pad. You can put the date if you want, and then just start writing down some notes. This would also be a great page to rip off, put some decorative paper underneath of it and use it right inside your journal or your planner. So we also have the same of those. So that is our notepad. And then our functional stickers. So again, days of the week. And then you've got your numbers for your dates down here. Our functional banner stickers and washi tapes. I love this script looking one. That is so pretty. And then last but not least, all of the beautiful vintage stamps. Now, if you are a journaler and you like to do Dutch doors, these stickers are going to be perfect for Dutch doors because you can match them so that you can do them two-sided and just have some fun with them as well. So this one might be one that I use in my journal just because I feel like all of it kind of leans in towards that a little bit, and we could have some fun with this. So those are the two things that I've gotten so far. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I will be back later this week to explain the new reward system to you a little bit. But again, I've linked my information below, and if you would like to place a $25 order and get your free welcome pack, let me know in the comments and I can help answer any questions for you. Friends, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back soon with more information. Have a great day, everybody.